welcome to Camp Zero!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Alright guys, special vlog from Champoluc, which is in the Alps, Italian Alps, north of Italy. Amazing place, yet to be discovered. We are at Camp Zero. Camp Zero is a luxury activity resort in the Alps. So let's become my brother now. Hope he's on time, because he never is. Let's buzz on the door. I'm gonna show you what we're carrying as well. It's all camera gear. Then we have a few things, like clothing wise. Well, you know me. Guys, Marty, remember? My brother.
Good morning, guys!
You met him in different videos. We're gonna go now to Camp Zero. So Marty is gonna be the photographer for the job actually, and I'm gonna take care of the video. Just stopped by to take some time lapses of the clouds going through the trees. Actually, we need to be quick because they're going fast. I mean, come on, check these out, check the colors. Surreal. So come and visit Val d'Aosta, come and visit Champoluc and Brusson, amazing places. We're actually 10 minutes away from the resort, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, we just arrived at Camp Zero. That's the resort over there. It looks amazing. Once again, 5-star luxury active resort. The resort itself is made of 30 different towers. Each tower corresponds to a suite. So if you want to book a suite, you will get the full tower. One of the towers you can see at my back. Also, these 30 towers are built around the center of the resort, which is the heart, the pulsing heart of the resort. The reception. It represents a rock, so it kind of takes inspiration from the natural environment surrounding the resort. And also on my right hand side there's another part of the resort made of rock, and that becomes a nice climbing wall in the winter. So another experience I want to test out maybe this coming winter. Room number 1. So we are sharing the room with Marty. This is the lower ground, well, lower floor, and this is the room. So double bed here. You've got your viewpoint and balcony over there. Really nice, guys. Pine trees all over the place. There's a river. Well, Lavazza coffee. Come on, Italians, you can't miss that. And then we're gonna take you upstairs. Vai Marti, guide us. So upper floor, all wooden stairs. Really, really nice. And double bed over here. Bathroom number 2, bathroom number 1 downstairs. Camp Zero, the name means everything starts from here. Your adventures, your outdoors experiences start from Camp Zero. So you have the luxury indoors in the resort, but they aim to the outdoors luxury. So all the activities and the nature that you can enjoy in the environment. They also organize go-karting on ice, so that happens in winter. They have a golf course, and they also organize canyoning experiences. Inside the resort they actually have a climbing wall. You can do rope or you can do bouldering. There are 3 or 4 tutors, so they can follow you one-to-one, and the wall is quite high actually. A lot of different grips, a lot of different routes. Great fun as well. Our first day was packed with adventures already. After our arrival at Champoluc, we jumped on the electric bikes for the first time actually ever in my life, and we started to cycle uphill to the lodge Grand Turnalin at 2,535 meters, located above the village Saint Jacques in the Italian Alps. By the way guys, these electric bikes are a revolution, but we'll talk about those maybe another time. Once we reached the lodge, we left the bikes to then hike to the top of Monte Croce at 2,895 meters. That was quite a hike already, to be honest. All the way up, I was filming with our Alpine guide Rudy, and we then got some awesome drone shots at the very top of the mount. We were very lucky also to meet a big flock of ibexes. We finished the day with some downhill back to the resort. The landscapes are stunning, and then we enjoyed our time in the outdoor spa and had a wonderful meal. Second day. That's when the things become even more interesting. We woke up at 4 a.m. as the plan was to hike to 4,000 meters to the top of the Mount Braythorn in the Italian Alps. We had breakfast and drove again with Rudy from Champoluc to Cervinia. We were ready at 6:45 to get the cable cars to Plateau Rosa, which we reached at around 7:45, more or less. From there, we started to hike. Yes! We reached the mount's peak at 11 a.m., 4,164 meters. And of course, I was filming all the way up. Okay. I was breathless for the efforts made and speechless for the beauty I had in front of my eyes.
Oh my god.
So there you go, my first 4,000 meters in my life. One of the best experiences I've ever lived. When we went back to the resort at 5, we enjoyed some spa, did more filming about the bar and the gourmet restaurant, the Summit, and here we had our dinner tonight. Another great experience, but unfortunately I couldn't keep my eyes open. I was so knackered that night, and this is my advice, guys. If you're planning to reach 4,000 meters, do not plan anything else in the same day. You would be brainless and with a dead body, literally. So I couldn't wait to go to bed, and the third day was dedicated entirely to film the actual resort and the activities inside the resort. So that's when we did some bouldering and rope and everything we could have possibly done in the spa, indoors and outdoors. With you. With you, the best clothing for activities, guys. Go and check it out, withyou.net. Now, we're going for lunch. We're gonna meet Rudy again. He's the Alpine guide. He's gonna guide you through the day. And we're gonna show you the resort as well. So these are the rooms, and check this out. Right behind, actually right beside the rooms, you have the climbing walls. This is bouldering and also rope. It's completely different from anything else you can imagine about 5-star hotels and resorts. Pretty cool. The resort is set in the middle of nature. You can see pine trees, mountains, a lot of traditional cottages from the Alps. There's a river right here, and we're going to talk about leisure. You can see part of the spa at my back, a relaxing room with lounge music if you want to read, do that kind of stuff and just enjoy your time and relax. There's a couple of hot tubs, outdoors hot tubs, the best. And also there's a sauna, an outdoor sauna. Indoors, you have another part of the spa with a jacuzzi, another sauna, emotional shower. Also there's a massage room, and you need to book your massage and actually your time in the spa in advance. There's also a great swimming pool, just for swimming actually, but it's still quite warm, quite long. So if you want to do some movement after being at 4,000 meters, that's where you need to go. What about the food, you're gonna ask? We are Italians, so the best food you will find it here at Camp Zero. Also the best staff in terms of staff members. They're so kind, very friendly, very welcoming, and the great thing I actually found, they're not fake. So they're really passionate about what they're doing, and they're really trying to help you as much as they can. Let's go back to the food section now. There's two restaurants. The normal canteen, where you can have your breakfast, your normal meal and the dinner, and then you have the summit, and that's a real experience as well. It's a gourmet restaurant, so more expensive, smaller dishes, but more dishes, and an experience that will stimulate all your five senses. Especially we want to thank Federica and Rudy that allowed us to be here today and film this promotional video, but also the whole staff, once again, very friendly, so including Dennis, Max, Lorenzo, all the guys out there. Thank you very much, and Giorgio. So that's all for this video from this great place in the Alps, Italian Alps. Come and visit Camp Zero. It's great. Also, I want to say thanks to my brother behind the camera that helped me with taking photos and holding the camera right now. Very important role. Consider to subscribe, a lot of flies, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and we can't wait to see you in the next video around the world. So thanks for being with me. See you soon.